Bestie, what's up?
What happened?
No,
You good?
yeah, me good. I'm
Think
getting
you're lying
old.
alive? Think you're
I'm
lying
like,
alive,
for me,
man?
I get peer gift. Come back, your mad.
Oh, yeah, get gift.
Of course.
Okay, so like where I get gift, darling. Can we play a first of three?
Oh, me and you?
Me, no, you and KeKe play a best of three.
Oh, no. We
No,
can't work.
no, we don't have to talk. We don't have to talk.
No, worry. My people, them not gonna do that.
Why do you think that? I don't think your people would want you to lose. You know?
All if them want me, all if them don't want me to lose, they not do it.
Okay. So KeKe, will you do it? You see that? You see that, Shay?
So when them not go elsewhere, go make money, what make you say they want to come?
No, I don't make money. I don't really make money. It's a vibe, you know?
I really make money. Go somewhere to go make money. Don't come here so feet.
Okay, oh God, poor thing. Oh God.
Go make money somewhere else. Not for me.
KeKe, can speak your mind, darling, is it?
No, hold on, officer.
Okay. KeKe, I'm very sorry, okay? And Shay, I'm very sorry, okay?
Here, watch, hey, boy! Oh, black kid.
Jabas, no. Dirty batty boy.
She not deserve money too. I'm fully go suck your mother now come on for me life. Me know you, batty boy.
Yeah, she deserve. Yeah, she did.
Who them used to play with before them want to play with me or me and them for play? Them used to make money before me. And me stop them?
All right, Shay. Later, okay, darling.
All right, take care.
Yeah, make sure you not get yourself in a problem.
Okay, bring them with you too.
Yes. Can't stop. Go suck your mama, dirty bitch. Come out of my comment, dirty dog. Sean, me this, yeah? Don't me this, Come out of my comment, man. If she don't want to play the match, she don't want to play the match. Oh. Come, KeKe, come. All right, Shay.
Bye-bye.
Suck out to no mother batty boy. If she don't want to play the match, she not playing any match. I same thing with her too.
I'm awake. Everybody's awake. Everybody awake. So that means you can jam. That means free.
I don't think you know.
Them too much, sir. Spile boss.
You go get me out.
Hi, my name is
How about you, toilet?
Yeah, mute.
Spile boss.
What you mean? No, they told me to talk about I was playing the game, and then they said, yeah, pick the game away.
Thief them.
Why should tell you what you do? What did you do wrong?
Shut them a thief.
I was playing the game away.
Hold over mattress.
Come on, sorry, me him someday.
Them a thief, chat, them a thief. KeKe, what am there?
Me there.
Chat, me go in my live and go over KeKe live.
Go do it.
Me I come watch your KeKe. Me I come watch him. I send you something.
No, stay up on live.
No, me tired now.
Yeah, cause I'm a lion.
I come send you something now.
Alright.